2021 GMC Yukon. I'm going to show you how to replace your cabin filter. Open your glove box. On the left side, you're going to have like this little shock. Pull on it. Gotta pull it that way to remove it. And then on each side, you're going to have these little plastics that hold the glove box in place. Pull on them and remove your glove box. Once you get here, you're gonna have the little cover for the cabin air filter. Open it by pulling on this side and slide it that way. Now, that's the cabin filter. Just pull on it. And if you can see, the arrow is facing down. That's how the air flows. It flows down. Make sure that your new one, you put it the same way. And as you can see, this one is kind of dirty. It needs to be replaced. I have the new one ready. For the new one, same with the arrows facing down. Put it on. Same way you have the old one out. It's in place. Same thing with the cover. Put it on. You gotta slide it that way. Put it on, slide it, and make sure that you push it on this side and it's gonna click in place. And then just do the same process to put back your glove box. Put it on. Make sure that it goes in on both sides. Push this one in. Cabin filter is being replaced.